Hi, we're the Buxton Team.
Are you holding on to your home? Many have decided to do just that, and that's great. We want to help you make sure your home continues to appreciate. We have two great ways to help you do that.
Well, number one, make sure you're staying on top of maintenance items, like your heat and air unit, your hot water tank, your electric, just to name a few. If you don't have regular maintenance performed, things can start to go bad and cause problems. Keeping up with your home maintenance will help you not have to come up with a big lump sum of money when it comes time to sell your home in the future.
The second on our list is updates to keep up with today's style. It is so easy to just overlook light fixtures or paint colors that may have been in style when you bought and now is considered outdated. We so often see this when we are walking through homes. Popcorn ceilings were a thing back in the day, and I don't think that style is coming back. So you could consider removing that popcorn. Walk around your home and take note of what may be going out of style and add that to your to-do list.
Well, keeping up with those items will help you keep your home in good shape while keeping your investment growing. And that said, you don't want to over-update your home. You just should keep up with what home styles and do what will help keep you stay in love with your home.
This is probably the only time we will say it's good to keep up with the Joneses. If you are moving to another state and want us to connect you to a realtor in that state, let us know. We have agent referral partners already vetted out for you.
Talk to you soon.